Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to you ladies and gentlemen. My name is Batrisyia Raihanah and I am a proud delegate for my beloved school, SMK Tarzan Convent with a school code AEB 2049. Today, I am honored to share with you an incredible book entitled Space Challenger, The Story of Guy Balfour, written by Jim Henskins and Kathleen Benson. It has 64 pages and were published in 1984 by Rhoda Books. But before that, let's take a deeper look on the main author named Jim Henskins. He is an amazing author who has published tons of books that highlights the achievement of African American. His genre is children and young adult literature. My favorite work of his is this book as it enhanced my knowledge of space exploration and innovation. He also shared how wide science studies can be and how astronomy improved by a year. Have you ever thought how the idea of space exploration that seems impossible and challenging becomes a dream come true? Well, it actually started with a small progress. The first satellite, Sputnik 1, just like the one we learned in our science syllabus, were launched in 1957 and managed to orbit the planet for several months and found out more about the nature of space. This is the beginning of space age, or in the other words, the beginning of space exploration and its contribution to science. After that, more discoveries is being done. For example, the sending of unmanned rockets and the first cosmonaut. Now, let's talk about the main character, Guy Balfour, the first African American in space. He continued his studies and graduated with PhD in aerospace engineering with a minor in laser physics. From all his studies and paper published, he managed to calculate how the air goes around the wings at speed greater than speed of sound. He even developed a computer program that could do that. From this, we can see how technology plays a big part in science. Have you ever thought how astronauts live in space? Well, in this book, the author shared a bit of Gaian experience living there. They ate hot meals that were stored in containers and dehydrated. From this, we can see the contribution of chemistry in food such as preservatives. Next, Guy said they flew over the Florida Peninsula and could see it all, the Cuba and even some of the islands at the Caribbean Sea. But because of Earth rotates, they will not have the same view the next 90 minutes. I love this book as it proves so many science facts that we learn in classroom. I always thought the future of space will be only limited to space exploration, but it is actually way more than that. From this book, I know that in future there will be more innovation being sent to space and more experiments will be held there as it gives much more quicker and accurate result. I believe I just shared tons of science and technology facts in space. Long short story, this book is about Guy Balfour and his journey of becoming an aerospace engineer. Not to forget the discoveries, the innovation, and the evolution of astronomy. The author did an astonishing job of explaining the processes, the studies, and the terms that were really complicated to much more easy understandable words. With that, I really recommend this book to all secondary students to enhance your knowledge of space exploration and to be exposed to this field of science from an early age. That's all from me. Thank you so much.